We did our Jack Daniels barrel theme cake. So these are the details. So at the moment, my husband is trying to cover the board of the cake. By the way, the cake is moist chocolate cake with ganache frosting and filling. So that is already set. So now he's trying to put the fondant on the board and remove the excess. So you can see the details over here. And after that one, he will try to put the details of the cake. So you can see that is a fondant with a wood embroidery. So we have a plunger on that before we use it by hand, but now we have that one to make it simple, easier. And now he will put the other details of the cake. The Jack Daniels logo over there that is edible, so we put that one in a fondant to make it 3D, and my husband tried to put some of the details, also the paint that is brown edible color gel with the yellow. It is a combination to make it look like a wood. And then after that one, he will try to put the dedication, so that is happy birthday papa. And now this is the finished product. So we have three, the miniature Jack Daniels liquor, and then we put the one that you can see the eyes, that is a fax candy. So you can see all of the details over here. Thank you so much. Have a good day.